Welcome the our channel. Today we how to save on entertainment with Netflix, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current Netflix subscription plan. Decide if you really need the premium plan or if the standard or basic plan suffices. Explore the Netflix catalog to find free trials or special offers. Share an account with family or friends if permissible under Netflix's guidelines. Consider downloading movies and shows to watch offline, saving data fees and time. Set a monthly budget for entertainment and stick to it. Utilize Netflix's My List feature to keep track of shows you want to watch. Schedule specific nights for Netflix viewing to prevent impulsive watching. Take advantage of Netflix's recommendations to discover new titles. Watch during off-peak hours to minimize interruptions. Use the skip intro feature to save time when binge-watching series. Consider watching limited series or movies to reduce time spent streaming. Turn off autoplay for previews to avoid unnecessary distractions. Explore various genres to expand your viewing options without additional costs. Participate in Netflix watch parties with friends to enhance the experience. Take breaks between episodes to avoid binge fatigue and keep your viewing fresh. Look for discounts or offers through your mobile carrier or internet service provider. Research alternative streaming services that may offer special bundles. Stay informed about upcoming content to make the best viewing choices. Use parental controls to monitor and limit viewing for younger family members. Regularly review and adjust your viewing habits to align with your budget. Remember that quality time spent together while watching can enhance the experience without extra cost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.